Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can stabilize a video in DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip here, and you are just going to enable stabilization, which is under video. Stabilization, sorry. And you can choose from these modes. This is perspective. You can also turn these off if you don't want to enable it. So I'm just going to select zoom, and you can adjust smoothness here, carbon ratio, etc. If you don't want the zoom, you can also untick that and just select stabilize, and it'll stabilize your video. This video has been quite stabilized. Like, it's not really shaky, but hopefully if you apply this to like more shaky video, it will be stabilized. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!